हाँ, you're talking to me.
बोल चुप बोलो सारे टीचर की चमची।
Mind your language. मेलिसा, remember one thing. तुझे क्लास में हमारे साथ ही रहना है।
तो हमारे नियमों के हिसाब से तो चलना ही पड़ेगा।
I will not obey them if the rules are wrong. What? What's happening here? Ma'am, they all are teasing me. तन्मीत और समर्थ मुझे मार रहे हैं। बैठो सारे। तन्मीत, समर्थ, what's wrong?
मैम, हम तो मजाक कर रहे थे।
अरे बच्चों, ये क्लासरूम सिर्फ एक क्लास नहीं, ये हमारा एक छोटा सा परिवार है। इस परिवार में हम एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं और गुस्से के समय एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, लड़ते नहीं। इसलिए क्लासरूम फैमिली का एक ही सिंपल रूल है, प्यार बांटो और प्यार करो।
The room fell silent when the words hit like daggers. Teacher's pet, they called her. Their voices dripping like with mockery. Their voice steady but tired. Her laughter marked jealousy. In that moment, the room became silent.
अरे आपका चश्मा कहाँ है?
पता नहीं, कहीं मिल ही नहीं रहा।
चलो कोई नहीं, नया ले लेंगे।
नमस्ते अंकल।
नमस्ते बेटा।
अंकल, हम दिलजोत के साथ कैरम खेलने आए हैं।
आओ आओ बच्चों आओ।
इस बार तो हम ही जीतेंगे।
ऐसे कैसे? इस बार तो हम जीतेंगे।
ओए दिलजोत, चीटिंग क्यों कर रहा था? स्ट्राइकर कहाँ रखा था?
मैंने कब किया? पाउडर की वजह से मेरा हाथ स्लिप हो गया।
यार, इसका तो काम ही यही है।
अबे यार, गाइस इग्नोर दिस टाइम। दिलजोत अब मत करियो यार।
मैंने कब किया?
यार, मैं नहीं खेलना
अब नहीं
तेरे
खेलेंगे
साथ।
इसके साथ।
भाई चीटिंग करने तूने तो।
अंकल, हम दिलजोत के साथ नहीं खेलेंगे। ये हमेशा बहुत चीटिंग करता है।
दिलजोत,
पापा मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
हाँ करमन है, इसकी तो गलती नहीं है, सारी गलती तो इसके दोस्तों की है।
ये तो कभी कुछ करता ही नहीं।
हाँ मुझे तो लगता है मेरा चश्मा भी इसके दोस्त ही ले रहे होंगे।
बेटा दिलजोत, गलतियां सबसे होती हैं, बट व्हाट मैटर्स इज आप अपनी गलतियों को कितना मानते हो।
गलती मानने से कोई कभी छोटा नहीं हो जाता।
और ये मत समझना अगर तुमने अपनी गलती मान ली तो तुम्हें कोई गलत समझेगा।
सॉरी दादू, सॉरी। खेलते समय आपका चश्मा मेरे से टूट गया था और डर के मारे डस्टबिन में फेंक दिया था।
कोई बात नहीं दिलजोत, मैंने तुझे देख लिया था, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगा कि तूने सच बोला। तो वैसे भी वो चश्मा तो पुराना हो गया था, अब तो नया चश्मा लाऊंगा लेंस कार्ड से, और वो भी तेरी पॉकेट मनी से।
The lesson was simple yet powerful. The truth, though sometimes is hard to speak, is always the right path.
Thank you, Baba, for working hard. Thank you, Mama, for your warmth. Thank you, Priya, for fighting with me but always being there with me. And Daddy, your stories are my treasure. With your love, I know I can grow into someone strong. Thanks. Thank you, Mama.
The thought of the day is a family rooted in love grow together. Now I would like to invite our worthy vice principal to share some words of wisdom.
Good morning, children. Sometimes there are certain occasions when actually I have goosebumps when I sit here and my voice is choked. I think all the people who are associated with theatre, they have experienced it. Children, you are also learning it. Soon you will also experience. The same thing I experienced today. What a wonderful assembly, what a wonderful presentation of the Green family. This is family, united. And where is your mom? Yes, Anamika ma'am, yes. Thank you so much, thank you. I just thought maybe, I think not only I, everybody thought thought maybe there is a class show that is happening. The topic given is family, and just see what a nice portrayal of family. Yes, we know that family is important, but at this age, in teenage, family sometimes seems not that close. You feel your emotions are such that you feel that, oh my God, family is not listening to us. कोई हमारा दर्द समझता नहीं. Yeah, these are the emotions whenever we are growing up. But believe me, your family is one that will always stand for you whenever you have any problem during your failures. They will be with you during your success. They will celebrate with you. And I think at this stage, you feel that whenever, because they have experience with them, your grandparents, your parents, they are experienced. Because of their experience, sometimes they are more into lecture. So this is what you don't like. But believe us, they mean it, because they want that you should always be on the right path. And I will just bring here that even school is an extended family. I just said your class teacher is your mother, and now you see your subject teachers. You can think, Masi, they are already laughing. They are already laughing. Masi, Chachi, Mami, all beautiful relations, and vice principal, Dadi ही बोलोगे मुझे लग रहा है. Yes. Anyway, so like this is the beauty here. Whatever problems you have in the class, I know you have always shared with your class teachers, and all. I really take pride in saying that I have observed all the teachers as class teachers, and I have seen that all the children in the classes have beautiful bond with the class teacher, and I really take pride in that. So a big round of applause for all the class teachers here, and all the subject teachers also who have always supported our children. आज थोड़ी सी कविता भी है मेरे पास, because that also comes out sometimes. रूठो बेशक अपनों से, लेकिन मानने पर मान जाओ. रूठो बेशक अपनों से, लेकिन मानने पर मान जाओ. अपने तो आखिर अपने हैं, ये बात तुम सब जान जाओ. मेरे शब्द नहीं है, अमिताभ बच्चन के शब्द है. अक्सर टूटने पर पता चलती है अहमियत अपनों की. अक्सर टूटने पर पता चलती है अहमियत अपनों की. अनमोल दिल से इन रिश्तों को संभालना सीखो. अनमोल दिल से इन रिश्तों को संभालना सीखो. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ananda. We would like you to be there just to complete, because they are all standing so beautifully. We can get one picture also click, and please come.
Make yourself visible, stand in between.
Ma'am, please, you also
Make
join.
yourself visible.
My name is Parth and my birthday was on Saturday.
My name is Vihan and my birthday was on 18th May.
My name is Kavijat and my birthday is on 7th June.
And my birthday is also on 11th June.
To invite our worthy principal to share some words of his. Very good morning to all of you. Okay, everyone is settled at the last voice. The assembly was really very nice and very heartwarming assembly. Talks about family, talks about togetherness, bondness, and everything what we want in life comes from the family first, right? And we all are also your extended family. Your teachers, your everybody around you is your extended family. Okay. Every scene depicted here had some lot of meaning to what they were speaking. I hope you all got that meaning. They were talking about Marx, they were talking about the relationship between our older generation and the new generation. So when we talk about Marx, it's not about always Marx, it's about making a mark, right? So you should always remember the values which you get will always help you making a mark in the society. So there are two different meaning of Marx, Marx as Marx and making a mark. So that's the takeaway which I am taking from here. And thank you so much. Thank you, Anamika. Where is she? Thank you so much for such a wonderful and thoughtful assembly planned and executed. Thank you so much.
Class 10, I hope children, everybody knows that we force them to have assembly before holidays because after holidays they have to be in the classes. Thank you, Sudeshna ma'am, for changing the schedule for us. Thank you so much. Within 2 days, I think they prepare. 2 or 3 days. Yeah. Thank you.
Happy holidays to all of you.
Yeah. Happy holidays, all of you children. Yeah. Now they're
Happy holidays to all of you. Study well. Enjoy your holidays. Come back rejuvenated. All of you should come back with a lot of energy in July. And look after yourself, look after your family members. Okay? Thank you so much. Holidays are not starting from tomorrow. First June.
Today, I feel very proud to share the achievements of some bright and talented students who took part in the Aghai MUN held on 3rd and 4th May in Amity University, Mohali. I would like to call our respected principal, vice principal, enrichment head and senior wing coordinator to honor these participants. We participated as a delegate of UNCSW and represented the school with great spirit, along with Sana Chaudhary, also from class 10B. Moving on the UNODC committee, Arvind Kaur from class 10B participated as a delegate of UNODC. Not only that, she also worked as a OC member and performed as a dancer in the opening and closing ceremonies. Arvind Kaur from class 9C. Coming to a special achievement, Chehek girl from class 9B made us proud by winning a high commendation award as a delegate. Her performance stood out and she brought recognition to our school. Lastly, Meher Das from class 9B also participated in the event and represented the school with great enthusiasm. Now let's all invite our gold medalist from Efforts Olympiad. B joined the same committee and contributed actively as a delegate. I invite Vedant 6C to share. I have recently enrolled myself in shooting and participated in a competition in Hallmark Public School in Sector 15, Panchkula. And I have won bronze medal in the competition. My academy, Bagla Shooting Range, sent me the details to the competition and I was a little champion sitting in this category. Chauhan, Jason, Vinraj Singh, Salim Jain.
Students, maintain discipline.
Smile.
House debate competition. The first prize goes to Tableen Kaur 9A. Tableen Kaur 9A, first position in inter-house debate competition. Tejal Narang 9B, second position in inter-house debate competition. Tejal Narang.
One to stand for the national anthem.